Safeguard your Mern stack user accounts with robust SMS verification during Signup, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring authenticity. First, access your Twilio console, retrieve your account SID, auth token, and provision a Twilio phone number. These are crucial for sending messages. In your Node.js backend, initialize the Twilio client, create an API endpoint that, upon user Signup, generates a unique, time-sensitive OTP. This endpoint dispatches the OTP via Twilio SMS to the user's phone. Securely store this OTP and its expiration in your database, linked to the user. On your React frontend, after a user submits Signup details, trigger the backend's OTP sending endpoint. Once the SMS is sent, display an input field for the user to enter the code. Implement a backend verification endpoint when the user submits the OTP. Retrieve the stored code and timestamp. Compare the submitted OTP with the stored one, ensuring it hasn't expired. If the OTP is valid and timely, mark the user's account as verified. Granting full access. This system significantly enhances application security. Integrating Twilio for SMS verification adds a critical security layer to your Mern stack, protecting user data and preventing fraud. Like and subscribe for more.